Okie dokie. So I'm actually recording from my laptop, but I wanted to see if I could do this in a clear method. So I went over and grabbed one of my other channels so that I could show you this. As you say, you're having difficulty accepting the collaboration. So I'm going to go into my edit video, and I'm actually going to collaborate this video with myself to be able to show this to you. So I'm going to go down here where my collaborator is, tap myself, put my name in, select myself, create the link, copy the link, and I'm going to save that invitation. So it says that right there that it was pending you to accept. All right. And so you're going to see me actually go back over to my correct YouTube video. Clearly, I did not do it just then. All right, I'm going to switch back over to my account, and I'm going to go back over to mine. All right, so that share link that I just copied, as you see, I am actually inside of my account here. And even though I am inside of my account, when I paste that, it's going to pop me up this permission that you received. If you'll go right here and select to switch the account, and you switch the account, you see now it's accepting that I am in this account. I'm going to tap it to make sure it knows that this is the account that we're accepting for. And because I've accepted it, now it's going to say accept. And then you can hit the button right there to accept. I hope that clarifies that and makes it a little bit easier. And now that I have accepted it, when I actually go to that video over on this channel, you see I have a collaborators column now. Now that video shows up. So if I go over to that channel, whenever I go to that video now, I'm going to show you the difference between the first video and that video. And I actually want to look at the channel itself where the video is listed. When I scroll down, I did not mean to tap that. When I scroll down here, see how this video says Family First Designs and Family First Designs and, but this one right here, there's nothing under it. These are the two that I've asked to collaborate with. So when a person is watching the video, if you scroll down right here, it says Family First Designs and BrandMaster Martina, Britt, Yelverton. So if I'm actually going over to the channel and I see the collaborators are Family First Designs and BrandMaster Martina, Britt, Yelverton, that's the way it'll read. It'll read two people on one, and that's what we want to happen. And so again, if I go back over to my channel, I'll see it in my collaborators list. And depending on how you're looking at the channels now, you'll see down here, it'll say Family First Designs and even when you go to the videos this way, you'll see it says Family First Designs and BrandMaster Martina, Britt, Yelverton. So underneath videos that you collaborate with, it'll have both people that collaborate, again, allowing for additional exposure. So when they come into the video, they can click on that particular area, and now they'll be able to go to either of the channels to see, and now they can actually tap to visit. And so it just it expands your reach. That's the whole point and purpose for us doing this, expanding the reach. And you want to be able to have that on as many as possible. So let's see if any of the other ones that I sent out, if those are showing up anywhere. I think I sent one over to Takia. And so we'll see if she's having any luck with hers as well. So hers right now, it just says BrandMaster. So I'll reach out to her to see if she's having the same error that you had, Steph, and hopefully you'll be able to go in and make a correction to yours now. Let me know.